Hello everyone. Today we have learned about how to create new Android project using Jetpack Compose. So let's start. So click on new project. We will see this window. Uh, Now my Android Studio is not updated. In updated version of Android Studio, Jetpack Compose this activity also here. So you easily create new project with the using Jetpack Compose without any problem, and its name show empty activity like this because Google is forcefully impose this Jetpack Compose library or framework like so it suggests top of the everyone. So select this one empty compose activity, and you if you want to create some different thing like different design, so you will use this one empty compose activity material 3. So it provides something more functionality and more designing features. So currently we start with empty compose activity, not this one material 3. So let's start. Click next, and here is our overall features. So firstly we define a name. So I define my compose project, and it always select language as a Kotlin, and I have not changed this one. I selected API level 21. That's, that's it, and and finish it. It will take some time. Now indexing is completed. So let's take a little bit overview of our Jetpack Compose project. So for the like basic type project, you have first one is manifest file. You describe some things and add activities on here, and after this you go here. This one is your theme classes. In normal project we have XML classes for decided and defined theme colors and the other things, but in Jetpack Compose project we have compose function, not XML like this. You have come, and this one is shape class, and this one is color class which have colors of multiple type. We define colors on this class, and here is our theme class. So this one is a composable function of theme. So each property defined as a composable function in Jetpack Compose project. So let's go for from main activity. So here is our main activity. We have some composable function. So this one is composable function which are defined out of the class scope, and this one is a preview function. So it show preview like I show you here. So build and refresh. So it will show little, it will show overview of our screen without running our app in emulator or some physical devices. So when it is appear, we will show, we will check it again. Let's go from project label Gradle build file. So here is some versions and mention Jetpack brings this important and essential library plugins which are automatically included by Android. And here is our Gradle build file module level. So we have all of required libraries or dependencies included by default. So that is base structure of our Android app. So let's see our main activity overview. So here is our main activity overview. This text will return with the help of this text field hello, and it get name with the help of this function. So we show here like this greeting function get the name string and show here. So let's run our app and see what it is look like. It will take some time. Let's see another things. Another things is here is our resource file. So basically it is not useful anymore, but still we have use we, but still we are use this one drawable folder because we need to store some images and files to access and show our main screen or some other screens. So in this video we will see a basic overview of our Jetpack Compose project. In our next video we will continue this series and we create something best project. But still currently I don't know what I should do with this project, but I find out and figure out what should I do in this video series. So if you want to become a Android developer, so keep following this channel and keep following this video series. uh, in this series we learn how to become an Android developer, how to create a Android app in Jetpack Compose. Of course, in your brain, a question is appear why we should learn Jetpack Compose, why we should not learn basic Android application building, because Android is a Google owned uh, OS system. So uh, we need to follow Google guidance. So Google officially support Kotlin, and Google also designed this Jetpack Compose, and need it forcefully composed this all of composable Jetpack Compose in our developer community. So basically my point is we must to learn this technology because in the near future it is necessary. Of course, uh, mhm, the basic Android Studio development will deprecated, and this one is main thing to develop an Android app. So let's continue this video series and make something is useful and presentable. So now in this video we show basic overview, and this is our emulator run, and here is our app will open. So hello Android is show in our main screen. In next video we will do something more, and some create something is very beautiful and useful things you will show in your college project or something like interview. You mention your interview to you have done this type of project, and definitely it will add plus point uh, in your interview, uh, overall interview impression. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet soon.